Good day, ma'am. My name is Jonathan Dacalos from BE2C, and this is my video presentation, Why Senior High School Graduates Should Choose Teacher. Education. Education is often described as foundation of a nation's progress, and at the heart of education stands the teacher, the individual entrusted with shaping minds, molding characters, and guiding future generation towards meaningful lives. As senior high school students approach graduation, they face one of the most important decisions of their lives, choosing a career path. While many professions promise financial rewards or prestige, teaching offers something deeper and more enduring: the opportunity to influence lives, build communities, and contribute to national development. This essay aims to present a compelling case for why grade 12 graduates should consider enrolling in teacher education, highlighting not only the noble nature of profession but also rights, privileges, and benefits that come with being a teacher. The teaching profession. Teaching is more than just a job. It's a vocation rooted in service, passion, and commitment. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping the intellectual and moral fabric of society. Every doctor, engineer, lawyer, artist, and leader begins their journey under guidance of a teacher. Without teacher, no other professions would exist. This alone demonstrates the immense value of importance of teaching. Choosing to become a teacher means choosing to make difference. Teachers inspire curiosity, nurture talents, and instill values such as discipline, respect, and perseverance. They do not only teach subjects, they teach life lessons that students carry with them long after they leave the classroom. For those who have passion for helping others learn and grow, teaching offers a deeply fulfilling career. Personal fulfillment and purpose. One of the greatest rewards of a being teacher is the best sense of fulfillment it brings, unlike many careers where success is measured solely by income or status. Teaching provides emotional and personal satisfaction. Seeing a student understand a difficult concept, overcome challenges, or achieve their dreams because of your guidance is an incomparable experience. Teachers often form meaningful relationships with their students, become mentors, role models, and sometimes even second parents. This connection creates a sense of purpose that goes beyond daily work. Thus, knowing that you have contributed positively to someone's life gives us a lasting sense of accomplishment. Opportunities for growth and development. Teaching is a profession that encourages continuous learning. Educators are constantly updating their knowledge, exploring new teaching methods, and adapting to changing educational needs. This ensures that teachers grow both professionally and personally throughout their careers. In addition, teachers' education programs equip students with their essential skills such as communication, critical thinking, creativity, and leadership. These skills are not only useful in the classroom but are also vulnerable in various aspects of life. Teachers have opportunities to attend seminars, workshops, and advanced studies which further enhance their expertise and career prospects. Job stability and demand in the many countries, including the Philippines. There is a consistent demand for qualified teacher education. It's a basic human right, and governments continuously invest in improving the education system. This creates stable employment opportunities for those who purpose teaching. Unlike some careers that are affected by economic fluctuation, teaching remains a steady and reliable profession. Schools will always need educators, ensuring long-term job security for students who value stability and a clear career path. Teacher education is a practical and wise choice. Right of a teacher are not only respected professions but are also protected by laws and policies that ensure their welfare and dignity. Understanding these rights is essential in appreciating the profession. First, teachers have the right to academic freedom. This allows them to choose appropriate teaching methods and strategies that best suit their students' needs. It encourages creativity and innovation in classroom, enabling teachers to deliver effective and engaging lessons. Second, teachers have the right to due process and protection. They cannot dismiss or penalize without proper investigation and justification. This ensures fairness and security in their employment. Third, teachers have the right to professional development. Educational institutions and government agencies provide opportunities for training, seminars, and further studies to help teachers improve their skills. Fourth, teachers have the right to be respected and protected against discrimination, harassment, or abuse. Their role as educators must be recognized and valued by students, parents, and community. Privileges of teachers in addition to their rights. Teachers enjoy several privileges that make the profession more appealing. These privileges recognizing their contribution to society and support their well-being. One important privilege is access to scholarship and grants for further education. Teachers who wish to pursue higher degree can benefit from financial assistance programs, allowing them to advance their careers without significant financial burden. Another privilege is flexible work schedules compared to many other professions. While teaching requires dedication and preparation, it often allows for time management that supports work-life balance. School calendars also include holidays and breaks, giving teachers time to rest and recharge. Teachers may also receive discounts and benefits from various institutions, recognizing their role in society. This may include discounts on transportation, educational materials, and other services. Furthermore, teachers are given opportunities for promotion and career advancement. They can move up from classroom teaching to administrative roles, such as becoming department heads, school principals, or education supervisors. Benefit of being a teacher. professions offer numerous benefits that provides financial and social security. These benefits are essential, ensuring that teachers can live comfortable and stable lives. Teachers receive regular salaries and allowance, including benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and bonuses in the Philippines. And that's all. Thank you.